Sound? Rolling!
Rolling!
Sound speed?
Awesome. Take two.
And action!
Hey YouTubers, this is Chris back at you for your video of how to do things right. Today I'm working on my 2004 Chevy Venture. I'm going to be trying to attempt to recharge the AC. Haven't had much luck with it. Been doing other things, but today I'm going to try and charge it. First thing you want to do is make sure car's parked. Then go ahead, pop the hood. There's a couple things I want to show you. Once you got the hood popped secured, go ahead and come under here. I like to clean my engine, make sure it doesn't look too dirty. That way I can work on it easier. Anyway, the valve you're looking for is this little blue cap right down here. You're going to remove that and you're going to connect your hose to it. Now I want to let you know the heat shield right in front of it gets extremely hot really fast. So you want to put some gloves or some long sleeve protectants on, because when you get down there, it's not the most comfortable position for your hand. So let's get some gloves. Okay, so we're back here. I'm going to take this off here. This is what I'm going to be using. Got it on sale at Walmart. Going to check, see what my pressure's at. See if I get enough Freon in there. But you can buy your kit that comes with it included. It's one whole piece. Doesn't really matter what you use, as long as you have that gauge. It's going to tell you the right reading. I hope so. Get your safety gloves and screw that right there. Take it off, put it out the way, and I'm going to attach it. Alright, just so you know, this is the end that you're going to want to put onto the valve that we just took the blue cap off. It's the only one that's going to fit, so no worries there. And once you attach it, you want to start the vehicle, turn your AC on high. So go ahead, turn on the vehicle. Well, let's make sure the keys are in it. On high. So you push the button. Alright, so once you have it attached, it just snaps on. Now what my reading is, see, it's showing it has Freon, but it's bouncing anywhere between 30 and 40 pounds of Freon in there. The other thing you want to check for is your compressor running. And down there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but mine's spinning. It's spinning like it's supposed to. It's not seized up, so the compressor's operating. So I've secured on the can of Freon. I'm going to go ahead and refill it. My compressor has stopped spinning since there's no Freon in there. I don't know if you can see it or not down there, but I've put the can in and see the compressor's kicked back on. Now that I have put more Freon in it, I'm just going to hold this down so it's full. I don't know if you can see the gauge or not. Oh, probably not. Nope, yeah, it's rated in the high green. So I'm going to stop pumping and I'm going to check. See if it's blowing cold at all. Well, it's definitely blowing a lot colder. I'm we're going to try and finish that off. And hopefully get this AC fixed. Okay, now she's really full. I'm going to go ahead and unattach this, and I'm going to go check out the temperature, see if we got it. Alright, go ahead and attach the cap back. I'm going to check, make sure my compressor's still going. Yes, you can't see it, it's way down there. It's still going. It is blowing cold. If you can see, I didn't have a temperature, but it's been blowing hot, and now it's blowing cold. That's how you check and recharge your AC for 2004 Chevy Venture. This is Chris coming at you from Kansas City. Thanks for watching. Look forward to more videos.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Please leave a like and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.